Welcome back! Happy Chinese New Year! Today I want to share my prosperity and friendship from friend and also from my lovely cousin from Singapore. Okay, I have 1, 2, and 3. Let's see what is it inside. Even though she's in Singapore, but she ordered something from her friend in Thailand and sent it to me. So let's see what is this. Can you see what is inside? Okay. It's coffee body scrub. Maybe she see me with the picture of coffee in the morning every day, that's why. Let's open one. Suppo body scrub. The coffee scrub with avocado oil, tamarind, honey, salt with collagen. Ooh, interesting. Wow, smell like coffee. Ooh, smell like coffee. Ooh, that's good. So,
I don't know why people send me some food and also the skincare and everything.
thank you for this. And also she sent me the second one, which is the big package. This is the second one from my lovely cousin. Thank you. And say hello to Singapore. And let's see what is inside. This is a very good thought and good care. A blanket, isn't it? Oh, the bed sheet and the blankie. Oh, that's nice. Nice one. Thank you. I can wash it and use it soon. And the last one. This one is very big. Looks like it must be like a little thing inside. Oops, sorry. This is the very good jasmine rice, and the brand is the dinosaur. Oh, I got the small bag. That's cute. Oh, it's coming from the province Yasothon. That's why they pack it very well. Good. This brand is one of the best jasmine rice in Thailand. Thank you so much, and Happy Chinese New Year. I have a lot of things to eat. I have a lot of love and care, and also the prosperity come through my life. Thank you, and thank you, and thank you. I love you all. See you next time. Bye-bye.